take a minute to rest with me. Remember how much fun it was to give a big breath of air to fog up a mirror and then write a secret message into it? Well, that's the breath we're going to practice right now. So settle down, find a comfortable seat, maybe close your eyes, let your shoulders relax. Notice where your breath is at right now, and we'll start to practice. So just like fogging up that mirror, as you're ready, take a nice big breath in, let your jaw open up for that breath out, and give a big huff of air. Take a few natural breaths. And then try that breath of de-stress again. That big breath in, a huge breath out. Let go of that tension with your breath. Now this is sneaky yoga that you can take with you throughout your day. Whenever you need a moment to mindfully sit, relax, and breathe, remember this breath of de-stress. Bring your hands to your heart for spending time well spent. Treasure this gift. I'm Candace, your yoga tour guide, with plenty of more ideas to share with you. So subscribe and follow my channel. Peace be with you, my friends.